the podium here at the last show. A few weeks ago from 4. And Michael Nichols from the back of the bus. Big flat, heat number 12 and 3 shots. And we are underway. Jansen and Smith. Oh, big tank flat. Smith, oh, and a tag. And around she goes, and they'll bring on the yellows. Maybe. Jansen out in front.
Rhino, I seen that. He didn't get tagged.
I think he's from up there, all over.
What's going on here?
He's got habits. Okay. Righto, straight number 2 will try again. In the streeties, Justin Jansen gets a great start. Michael Nichols on the outside. Goes right up. Behind the race leader, Smith in third. Langton on the outside. Moves into position number 3. Smith back to 4th. Thompson is 5th. Justin Jansen out in front in their 37. Michael Nichols in position number 2. And talk about street stock racing, Dave Gardner, who just won heat number 2 of the Super Sedan. He's a former street stock national champion. And back then there was about 80 of them at the national championship that he won. I think he's won a couple of them actually. But Justin Jansen out in front. Nichols is right behind in second position. Thompson and Langton for 3rd and 4th. I tell you what, even the commentating these things going the wrong way, can't get used to. But down the back street they go, Justin Jansen. In the 37, he's driving sensationally. If that's even a word. Nichols. Langton, Thompson and Smith. Putting the challenge on Thompson. Blows it in. And Smith up into position 4. Wodgel. Thompson. But Justin Jansen, they call him Ricky Bobby, will get the win. Nichols will get 2nd. Langton 3rd. Smith 4th. And Peter Thompson. Well done, Justin Jansen. Big thumbs up. Burnout time.
If they call him Ricky Bobby, he's not going to jump in the car and
Ricky Bobby, was he?
He's not going to run down the racetrack ripping his clothes off.
I'm on fire! I'm on fire, baby Jesus.